All right, this problem asks us to reverse the order of integration and then evaluate this integral. And you might think to yourself, well, wait a minute, this is a multiple choice test. Who's going to ever know if I don't reverse the order of integration first? Well, if you try this, you're going to find that it is to your benefit to reverse the order of integration. Because notice if we try to integrate this with respect to x, well, e to the x squared, how do we integrate that? Well, we could make u equal to x squared, but then du is going to be 2x dx, and we don't have an x in there. So we are going to want to reverse the order of integration here. So let's look at what this region looks like. So we're going from, let's draw a little diagram here. We're going from x equals y over 4. So in other words, y equals 4x, right? If we multiply both sides by 4 there, we're going to get y equals 4x, which is this this line that comes down. It's not a very straight line, but with a slope of 4 that goes through the origin. And then we're going from that line up to the line x equals 5, which is just a vertical line here. And then we're going in the y direction. We're taking these slices from this line to this line, and we're stacking them up from 0 to 20, which is where these two are going to meet. And so we've just got this that triangular region there. And so we're taking horizontal slices as it is written like this. So what we want to do to reverse the order of integration is take vertical slices. So we're going to be going from 0 up to this this line here, which is y equals 4x. So let's go from 0 to 4x in the y direction, and then we'll stack these across from 0 to 5 in the x direction, and we're still evaluating this same integral. All right, so now when we evaluate this, we're going to find that it's a lot easier. This is equal to the integral from 0 to 5 of this. This is just a constant if we're integrating with respect to y. So this is going to be y e to the x squared evaluated from 0 to 4x dx. And so if we plug in 4x for y here, if we plug in 0, we're going to get nothing. So this is just the integral from 0 to 5 of 4x e to the x squared dx. All right, so now to evaluate this, let's go ahead and make u equal to x squared. Du will be 2x dx. And so we can rewrite this integral. Let's redo our limits of integration. This is going to go from 0 to 25 now, because u is equal to x squared of e to the u, but then now dx is going to be du divided by 2x, so this is going to be 2 e to the u du. All right, now this is easy to integrate. This is going to be equal to 2 e to the u, and it's evaluated from 0 to 25. So that's going to be equal to 2 times e to the 25th minus e to the 0, which is 1. And so that's going to be our answer.